Hey guys, this is Lacey with Homesteading with the Brewers. My husband and I are outside working on the car, changing the alternator. Wanted to make a quick video to do a very inexpensive hack of cleaning your headlights. That's what both my headlights look like right there. I just did my little hack to make it look like this. This car's a 2003. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so let me tell you my secret. Got some shop towels, you can use whatever. This right here, or off, whatever bug spray you have. Check this out. Got these little paper towels. You can keep working. Okay, so we're going to come over here. You see how nasty this is? I'm going to spray some of this on my paper towel. Put a good bit on there. Watch this. It's crazy. I'm not really sure what is on this. I don't know if the kids got their chalk on it or what. It needs to be cleaned as well. We have a lot of bugs in the south. One just hit me in the face. That's great. Bit better than what it was. No, it's still got some flecks on it. I actually need to clean that headlight, but the fogginess was the same as this one, and I just did the same thing with this one. So you see, it works like fantastic, and now I'm going to be able to see on the road much, much, much better. I hope this helped you guys somehow. Come back and see us. If you like this video and want to see more, please remember to like it and share it and subscribe. And until next time, bye!